In 1815, a Swiss watchmaker named Hans stumbled upon a peculiar challenge. As Napoleon's reign ended, Europe was in chaos, and Hans was tasked with creating a timepiece that could withstand the Alps' harsh conditions. He crafted a watch with a unique mechanism, inspired by the Swiss flag's cross. But why a cross? It symbolized a precision and unity essential for a nation of diverse cultures. The watch became a symbol of Swiss ingenuity. Could a simple flag inspire such innovation? Today, Swiss watches are renowned worldwide, a testament to Hans's legacy. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.